Hello guys, let's quickly go through the data modeling in data analytics. Many of the people don't know what is meant by data modeling. So data modeling is one of the foundation of the data before doing any data analysis. Right. So if you can see the meme, just it's for a fun purpose. Like here you can see this guy is looking for data analysis, leaving the data modeling or not giving the priority for data modeling. So this is just a meme to understand like how data modeling is important before doing data analysis. Okay, let's go through the data modeling part. What is meant by data modeling? Data modeling is basically it's an important step in designing and building a database, right? It's an important step in designing and building a database. So here, if you see the diagram, data, customer, these are linked to sales. This is linked to product. For example, if you are buying a lace packet, okay, this is your product. Okay, for example, sales is nothing but you have purchased 5 packets of lace and it costed you 50 rupees. This is the sales information, right? And customer is I am the person who bought this lace packet and I have name, I have age, I have phone number, I have email ID, whatever it is, I have took that in DMart shop. Okay, this is what the complete data model is, right? Now, if you go through the other one in data modeling, right? Sorry for this. So, components of data modeling. Components of data modeling is basically we have three things: entities. We have entities. Okay, we have entities, attributes, and relationships. Okay, entities are nothing but the customers. Okay, I am the entity and I have name, I have address, I have phone number. Okay, now I am putting in order bag and the relationship is basically the order your between the customer and the item. Okay, entities are nothing but the main things we want to store information about and it can be customer or a product. Attributes are basically a customer which includes the name, address and phone number. Relationships are basically, for example, a customer can have a relationship with an order. Okay, this is called a these are the components of data modeling. Okay, types of data modeling. We have three types of data models, which is nothing but conceptual data model, logical data model, physical data model. Conceptual data model, the name itself says the conceptual. So as we already discussed, product and customer, what is the sales information and what is the date he got purchased. For example, this was done on December 2nd, right? December 2nd. So what is the sales? How many units got sold and what is the amount got transacted and what is the product name? Those details, etc. And who is the customer and customer details, etc. This is conceptual data model. It looks like a bird eye view. Okay. Logical data model is basically where conceptual data only, but in more detailed level. It's like a floor plan of a house. So product means product ID, name, category, unit price, description, etc. etc. Customer means name, region, address, phone number, email ID. Sales means what is the quantity sold, what is the amount. Date means what is the year, what is the month, what is the quarter, everything. Okay, physical data model is how the above data, logical data is stored in which data type. Varchar, integer, what kind of database? Varchar, name is varchar, address varchar, email varchar, everything. Sold quantity is integer, sold amount is float. Date is date format, integer, varchar. So how physically the data is stored is comes under the physical data model. Okay, types of data models. So types of tables. So we have two tables. One is fact table and another one is dimension tables. Fact table is basically the measurements. Okay, for example, you purchased a product called lace. How many units is a number? 5 packets. How much amount? 50 rupees is an amount. So it's a measurement. It's a measurement. So amount is a fact. Quantity is a fact. For what? For the product you purchased for the customer. These are the foreign keys and these are the facts. Facts are basically the amount. or a date or a quantity. This column represents the business facts. Okay, these are the facts. The customer key, the foreign keys will be customer ID and product ID. Okay, dimension tables are what? Dimension tables are the exact tables which are connected to the fact tables using foreign keys, which is the detailed level of the table. Right, primary key is the customer code here. Okay, types of relationship. We have one to one many, one to one, one to many, many to many, many to one, many to many. Okay, one to one relationship is basically Hyderabad belongs to Telangana, Surat belongs to Gujarat, Chennai belongs to Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad belongs to Telangana. Right, these are one to one relationship. One to one, one to many relationships are one customer ID Dawal belong, he has done, he have transacted three times, 102, 104, 105, 102 item, he bought smartwatch, next laptop, next headphones. So he done three units of transaction, three types of three transactions. So one to one, one to many relationship. Many to one relationship is basically this ID with Hamanand, he got grade 1. Two also, Dawal, he also got one. Basically, this one is outstanding. So both of the students got one. This is called many to one relationship. Okay, many to many relationship is one. Dawal is a teacher having two IDs with two courses registered. The two courses registered also teacher ID 2 registered two courses 2 and 3, which is like Power BI and Excel. So this is called many to many relationship. So this is all about entire data modeling.